Crocodiles have been on Earth for over 200 million years, chilling with dinosaurs, and somehow sticking around. But have you ever noticed they all kinda look the same? Seriously, for the last 140 million years, their basic design has barely changed. 140 million years! In that time, mammals went from tiny, shrew-like creatures to, well, us. We got monkeys, whales, horses, and chihuahuas. That's called a glow-up. Crocs? They've basically been hitting the snooze button on evolution. While we were leveling up our brains and learning to walk upright, their only skill upgrade was the death roll. Need a brain? Death roll. Need tools? Death roll. It's their answer for everything. But here's the tea. Ancient crocodiles were wild. We're talking crocs that galloped on land, dolphin-like crocs in the sea, crocs with boar tusks, and even vegetarian crocs with duck faces. It was a chaotic family reunion of freaky reptiles. So what happened? Why are today's crocs so basic? Well, it turns out that 140 million years ago, one specific lineage found the ultimate cheat code, the freshwater swamp. They perfected the ambush predator lifestyle and just stayed there. Anytime they tried to change it up, move back to land, conquer the oceans, they got wrecked. Climate change took out the landlubbers, and ocean-going crocs ran into competition and got wiped out. Basically, any croc that didn't look like a classic croc went extinct. The crocs that survived are the ones whose design worked. Think of it like a rich kid who tries a bunch of crazy startups. He tries tech, he tries fashion, he tries being an influencer, but in the end, he realizes the easiest way to make money is to just inherit the family business. That's the crocodile. The family business is the swamp. They even survived the dino-killing asteroid from that cozy spot. So why no changes? Because they are perfectly adapted to the swamp. They have a special 4-chambered heart with a unique valve. When they dive, they can literally redirect blood away from their lungs to save oxygen. When they eat, they pump extra blood to their stomach to digest bone with insane stomach acid. They also don't have sex chromosomes. The temperature of the nest determines if the babies are male or female. A perfect, stable temperature means more males. But if it's too hot or cold, meaning a stressful environment, they produce more females to ensure the population can rebound later. Add in that streamlined body, and it's the perfect design for ambushing prey. Evolution is all about adapting to your environment. If you've already aced the test, you don't need to change the answers. Humans think we run the planet, but we've only been around for a few 100,000 years. Crocodiles have a legacy written in stone. Compared to them, we're basically that intern who still can't figure out the coffee machine. They have a level of toughness we can only dream of.